And this is the START-RC R8, and it's a new FPV drone, 75mm, with some really interesting design changes, or I guess choices. Just looking at this thing, I really like what they did. First, you can see the camera is mounted up front, and I'm a big fan of that. Now, people are gonna say, well, isn't that gonna throw off the center of gravity? Meh, tiny bit, but another thing that they've done is they put the battery on top. Also a multi-charger, which is really nice. They've also even secured the antenna with a little clip here on the back. These are touches that even some really reputable and really good FPV companies don't bother to do. So I'm pretty excited right off the bat from STARTFPV. These are 0802 20,000 kV motors pushing bi-blade props. Boom. That is all of the setup that I'm gonna do for this guy. Now it's time to fly it. Okay, so my battery just slides right up top like that, and I need to make sure that I connect this properly. If I plug it in wrong, your flight controller's gonna go up in smoke. Now, adjust this angle probably down a little bit. That'll help you fly a little bit slower. Pilot name. All right, so I didn't save that right, but whatever. Okay. All right, here we go.